Hey guys, this is Tasha. I am a digital marketer and affiliate marketer. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to help you guys figure out which keywords to use when either you're promoting your product or service. So let's pretend that you are a company that sells handmade squeaky toys for dogs. If you do squeaky toys, for example, in Amazon, and as you can see, I have some Chrome extensions that give me even more squeaky toys. As you can see squeaky toys for puppies, dog squeaky toys for small dogs. I probably wouldn't use that because it just doesn't make sense. But my point is actually, since you are a dog company and you want to promote it, you want to make sure that the people who are actively searching for squeaky toys for dogs, that you have dog and squeaky toys in your keyword search. So so for example, we've got squeaky toys for babies, squeaky toys for kids. Um, so for example, if you just did squeaky toys all by itself, then not only will you be getting people to your website that were looking for squeaky toys for babies or kids, you would also get people who are looking for squeaky toys for dogs, puppies, aggressive chewers, large dogs, big dogs, puppies. So if that is something that your toys are for aggressive chewers, by the way, then you can go ahead and add those keywords while you're promoting your product on a paid traffic service like Facebook or Bing or Pinterest. So let's go to Google and let's look at squeaky toys again. And as you can see, it comes up as squeaky, squeaky toy, squeaky brakes, squeaky dryer. So you know you don't want to use just the word squeaky because that's not what you want to use as a keyword because it's not a very good one. It's too general. So when you continue writing toy, Google is going to automatically do these suggestions that people are actively searching for: squeaky toy sounds, squeaky toy story, memes, hammer, soundboard. Again, if you just use squeaky toy, you're going to get people who are looking for these as well. So when you do an ad, like on Google or wherever, you're going to get charged for that click. So you want to make sure that you are using the correct keyword so that the people who are definitely looking for squeaky toys for their dogs are going to are going to click your ad and they're going to go to your store and they're going to buy. So now we're getting better. So we just typed in toys, right? So now you see squeaky toys for puppies, for big dogs, for large dogs, for German shepherds. Now you don't want to use for ferrets, toddlers, babies, toys on YouTube. Remember, we don't want to use just squeaky toys because everybody who is searching for this, especially people who are looking for squeaky toys for toddlers, babies, YouTubes, ferrets, they're going to click on your link and then go, oh, wait a minute, this isn't for ferrets, this isn't for babies, this isn't for toddlers, this isn't a YouTube video. And then you just wasted a click, right? So, squeaky toys for dogs. As you can see, we've got squeaky toy for dog videos, squeaky toys for dogs, good or bad. Squeaky Toys for Dogs 10 hours. I'm not really sure what that means. And then, of course, if you are doing business worldwide, you can add Squeaky Toys for Dogs UK. The good news is, even though you had more here than you did when you actually completed the search in Google, you can still use these for your ad. Use toys for dogs, for puppies, for big dogs, for large dogs, for German shepherds, for heavy chewers. Add these to your keyword search, whatever paid traffic that you are looking for. Okay, and of course, if you do this, you can also just use Squeaky Toys for Dogs. And if you have videos on your website, add Squeaky Toys for Dog videos. You can also answer the question that somebody is actively searching for: squeaky toys for dogs, are they good or bad? On your website, explain how squeaky toys are good and not bad. Okay? So I hope that helps. So we have one more search: YouTube. Also, I haven't even started typing in anything, and I already see results that I searched for before. So let's go squeaky. If we just do squeaky, YouTube is showing us squeaky toy frog, squeaky toy sounds 1 hour, squeaky toy dog toy, rap song. Again, we don't want to use just the word squeaky because everybody who is looking for this is going to be on your, if they saw this on an ad and they click it and they go, oh, this isn't for frogs, oh, this isn't for sounds, this isn't for babies. Again, you've paid for that click for the wrong customer. Okay, so squeaky toys for dogs comes up. You can use that one. Squeaky toys for dogs song. If one of your squeaky toys just happens to have music on it, you can use this and add this to your keyword list. If I continue to say squeaky toys for dogs in the search, it's going to change. So some of these are for horses, ferrets, and babies. Again, you don't want this audience going to your website. You want people who are actively looking for squeaky toys for dogs. And here we go. Some of these are the same from the Google search. The 10 hours dogs chicken, not sure what that is. Again, if you have videos of dogs with squeaky toys, by all means, keep this, add this to your search. Again, if you have music on your squeaky toy, you can add this keyword squeaky toys for dogs song, and of course the squeaky toys for dogs. Again, if we backtrack, we get more options here. Or if I just even do the word D, we got squeaky duck toys. Maybe you have a squeaky toy for dogs that's shaped like a duck. You might get away with that. So again, it's just very important that you make sure that whatever keyword that you use, that's just what your audience is specifically looking for. Don't use generic. Use very specific keywords. I hope that that is helpful. Thanks for watching.